Next slide. Next slide. Stoning. Next slide. طيب. After we stone, the next act that we have to do is what? As soon as we finish stoning, we have to slaughter a sheep. You are not going to slaughter a sheep yourselves. They don't allow us anymore. Back then, maybe 100 years ago, everyone would carry their sheep and they would slaughter it right by the shaitan. Now you can imagine 2 million Hujjaj having all those knives. So some of us, we've never seen a sheep aslan, let alone slaughtered a sheep. So what do? Usually our group, yani Sheikh Basim and his group, with Abdul Latif Jamil and Akram and whatever group you're with, this has to all be done before, coordinated. There's 50 people in our group. They have to buy 50 sheep for us in the slaughterhouse. The slaughterhouse is a couple of minutes away, but you don't even have to see it. They're going to have the sheep ready. Once we stone, someone is going to have to make a call. We're going to have to coordinate that with our group to see how it's going to be done. Once everyone stones, yalla, we have a list of 20, 30 people that are with us. We call the guy who's in the slaughterhouse and we tell him, group Abdul Latif, whatever, or Akram al-Dhayf, group A, group B, we all did the stoning. So please slaughter the sheep. He has a sheet with all our names. This is, like I said, this is all prior coordination. It's not then. He has all our names. Yalla, Joe Birri, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. He does the slaughtering on your behalf. Right? Ahmed Saleh, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Sayyid Ahmed, this, that, whoever. After he finishes all the slaughtering, he calls us, he says, I've done the slaughtering, then we can cut our hair or shave our hair. So we're not gonna slaughter. However, what we have to do, brothers and sisters, regarding the slaughtering, is that we have to make sure the person who will do the slaughtering has representation, wikala, like a power of attorney on our behalf. So when we get to Mecca, inshallah, we'll sort this out. We'll see who our guy is. Yani Abdul Latif, Jamil, or whatever your group is. They're going to have someone who is going to be in charge of the slaughtering. We have to get in contact with them, and we all have to give them our verbal consent that I give you permission to do the dhabh, the slaughter, on my behalf. Don't worry about this. Inshallah, I will guide you, and if you're with another hamla, you'll be guided with this. So the point is, remember that if no one asked you to give wikala, there's something problematic. You have to address this. Definitely address this if you're listening online, going with another group. Before, when we used to go with local hamlas like Hajj Hassan Subuh or Hajj Nasif, we used to go to Hajj Hassan directly. We used to tell him, each of the Hujjaj, I give you wikala, I give you wikala. Then he gives our wikala to his slaughter guy. So once it's slaughtered, we only have one thing left, which is the taqsir. Now that they slaughter the kharoof, the sheep, what do they do with it? Unfortunately, we don't really know what they do with it. It's all in the hands of the Saudi government. They say they ship it to Africa. I doubt it. I think they just probably throw it in the sea somewhere. Just shipping 2 million sheep is going to be pretty costly. But it's not our obligation anymore. We don't even have authority. You're going to pay for the sheep. You own it, but you can't do anything with it. You just slaughter it, khalas. Now, initially, what's wajib is that sheep has to be divided in 3 parts. ثلاثة أجزاء. One part, you're supposed to eat from it. This is back then, right? You cook it. The second third, you gift it to a friend, someone in your group. The third, you give it to a faqir, a poor person. Now, with our situation, we can't do this, right? We can't do any of this because we're not even going to see the sheep. We don't have any access to it. So what do? With your share, all the maraji' say this is mustahab to eat from it. Khalas, you can just skip the mustahab, mish wajib. The share of the friend, most maraji', they say, is also mustahab. Like Sayyid Sistani, Sayyid Khoi, Sayyid Khamenei, they say this is also mustahab. But you can also ignore this, it's not wajib. Sayyid Fadlallah, he says it's wajib. He says, gifting 1/3 of it to a friend is wajib. So this needs a solution. I'll get to it. This one is the most problematic because a lot of maraja' say giving 1/3 to the needy is wajib. Sayyid Sistani says this is wajib. I believe he might say, Sayyid Sistani, Sayyid Fadlallah say this is wajib. Sayyid Khamenei is the easiest. He says all of it is mustahab. So you don't have to worry about any of this if you follow Sayyid Khamenei. But for Sayyid Fadlallah, you have to worry about these two, 1/3 for a friend, 1/3 for the needy. And for Sayyid Sistani, you have to worry about this one. So what do? This one is very easy. Look at one of the Hujjaj with you. Brother Ahmed, I gift you 1/3 of my sheep that's somewhere in the slaughterhouse. I gift it to you. And you say, I accept the gift. Shukran. Khalas. It's just a verbal gift. Very easy. You don't have to actually deliver it. Naam? Just talk. Yeah. Khalas. But this has a very easy solution. Remember, Sayyid Fadlallah says this is wajib. So those that follow Sayyid Fadlallah, wajib. يجب عليكم أن تفعلوا هذا الشيء. مش مستحب. من يقلد سيد فضل الله هذا واجب. أن يهدي للصديق. جدا سهل. يشوف له واحد من الحجاج اللي يعرفهم بالحملة. أهديتك ثلث خروفي شاة الهدي. وذاك يقول قبلته. خلاص مشى الحال. And I would recommend, because the ulama say that all of this is mustahab. Everyone do it. Everyone gift 1/3 of their sheep to someone in the group. Now, what do we do with this one? This has to go to the faqir. Anyone have any solutions for this? Remember, Sayyid Khamenei says this is mustahab. But Sayyid Sistani, Sayyid Fadlallah says for the poor, the needy, you have to. So what do? Naam? Donate? How? So, ahsan. The solution is this. Listen carefully, brothers and sisters. When you come back from Hajj, or aslan when you're in Hajj, you're going to see so many poor people there, right? After the dhabh, you see a poor person, tell him, hey, Habibi, come here, take $10. Now I want you to give me wakala, or to accept, no, you don't need to do wakala, to accept the 1/3 of my sheep that I should have given you, I didn't give you. I want you to accept this $10 instead, this $20 instead. He says, oh, thank you so much, shukran, khalas. You forgot to do that, you come back to America, you find someone who's poor here. Good luck finding someone who's poor here. You go to that poor person, you tell him, look, I should have given you 1/3, but I couldn't. Yalla, samihni on that 1/3. It's a debt, halla sar dain. Take this, whatever, he accepts 10, 20, 30, $50, وخلاص, مش الحال. You can also do it before the slaughter, but you need wakala now. يعني أنا before the slaughter, أصلا today, I see a poor person, I tell him, give me wakala, so that I can represent you on that day, the day of the dhabh, so I can accept your portion. And remember, it's just a verbal acceptance. In return, take this gift. So you can either do it before with wakala, قبل الذبح بالوكالة، أو بعد ذلك ما يحتاج وكالة لأنه يكون دين. It's going to be a debt. So just find a poor person and give him. I'll remind you, inshallah, we're in Hajj. This is important. Do not forget it. I've been to Hajj a couple of times. Many people forget about this, brothers and sisters. This is wajib, according to many ulama. Now, Sayyid Khamenei, we said he says it's mustahab, but still, it's just a verbal, easy way. And find a faqir, find a poor person, and you can do this correctly. طيب. Any questions regarding the slaughtering? نعم. نعم. You don't have access to it. Yeah, you could do it with any faqir anywhere. There's a faqir in Lebanon, in Iraq, in Afghanistan, any person who's poor, because you have to give it to a poor person. So any poor person qualifies. Tell him, look, I'm in debt. This is after Hajj. I should have given 1/3 of my sheep. I couldn't. Here, take 20, 30, whatever, and accept that, as if I gave you the 1/3. Khalas, it's that simple.